Hey everyone, so today we are here for making a simple calculator which will do simple arithmetic operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's code. First of all, we'll print that. Let's make our output screen look good. So this is a calculator. Okay, now we will print what calculations our user want. Okay, what calculations you want to do, and we will provide a new line. Then we will assign values, one for addition. Let's not. And now a new line character, I'm sorry, new line character. Then second for subtraction, again new line. Third for multiplication, new line, M capital. And fourth for division. Okay, here also new line. There's a print statement. Now we are proceeding for our coding purpose. Okay, so we'll declare a variable that is select. For our selection, what user wants, we'll take an input as 1, 2, 3, 4 for the operations. Okay, so we'll give select input select your choice from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so we'll take, and since these all are integers, so we'll add our data type int here. Okay, similarly now the calculation will be performed in numbers, so we want a user to give us the numbers as well. So we are taking input of two numbers as num1 for the first number. So input, sorry, input, enter your first number. Okay, then here the data type will be int only. Okay, since our input is coming in string format, as you all know, so we are just converting the string to an int data type. We are changing the data type. So same for num2, will do it num2. Okay, and your second number. Okay, now we will proceed further with if else statement. Okay, so we will go with if select, which is an input from user, what is his choice. Okay, so it will come in 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we'll check whether select is 1, that means addition. So what we'll do is print the addition of both the numbers is, and here we'll print num1 plus num2. Okay, same procedure we are going, same statement we are going to take it. So we'll copy it to make use of our time. Now we will give elif statement. What elif statement is? It's kind of else then if. Okay, so we know if else is there. If the if a statement works, then else statement will not work, and if a statement is not working, then else will work. But if we have elif, if the if statement is not there, it will proceed to the next elif statement. So select, which will be equal to second, and second is what? It's subtraction. So we'll write here the difference of both the numbers is num1 minus num2. Perfect. Now for the third option, if select is equal to 3, what it is? It's multiplication. So we'll write the product of both the numbers is num1 multiplied by, which is represented with a star in C and C++ or any language. In computer language, the multiplication is done by star. And the last, so now we can use here else, and we don't have to give the statement. We'll just print the division of both the numbers is num1 and our division operator slash num2, or divided by num2, as you all know. So this is our code. Now let's run it. So here comes our calculator. What calculation do you want to do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So let's suppose we do multiplication. Okay, so 3. And to your first number, let's multiply 30 and 20. Okay, so the product of both number is 600. So this is how we make a calculator. This is a successful calculator. Thank you for listening.